Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette. Mr. B is busy. It's Sunday morning and this ugly thing is going in a beautiful fireplace where the wood burner is going to be coming in. So Mr. B is going to crack on with
Hey, we're on wheels.
what?
You were kidding me. I've got something here, so I don't know what the hell this is.
It's screwed on here.
I know it was screwed down to pull it off. It's amazing that we can't sell this to somebody.
I can try.
And you know what? Look, we can reuse this. This metal plate.
This is not right.
No, this is.
Oh,
Alright, what I'm saying is that could be put there to protect the wood. Not that we need to, but just, you know.
okay.
So where are we going with this then?
I don't know. So, Mr. B has created the base. So if I show you, there is this flue in there. Doesn't really work for what we are doing. So, can you see all these drawings going on? That's my shopping list that just arrived today. So, let me explain to you guys. Because we don't actually have a chimney, we need to buy twin wall pipes to go all the way up. That's the legal requirement. That is what the safety protocol demands. So Mr. B is going to seal that. We're going to use slip bricks to do a herringbone design that I want on the inside, and all the outside will be cladded.
Mia wants a glass of port, look.
What do you think, Babu?
Mia, you think we should have a glass of port on our new fireplace? Huh? And a cigar. What about a cigar?
Yeah, and a whiskey?
No, I'll do whiskey, you with port.
Okay, Babu, what do you want? Dad will have a whiskey, I will have a port.
Oh, we've got Pixie. Pixie, what do you want?
Pix?
Come on, Mia. Come on. Pixie, what do you want?
What do you want to drink, Pix? And Babu, what do you want to drink, Babu? Hmm?
Fatty wants water. And Skinny and their extra little Pixie. What do you want? Do you want water as well, you little skinny sausage? Hey? Oh dear.
A calorie-full drink for Pixie to put some weight on? while Mr. B is inside building the chimney for us, he gave me the job of making this beautiful piece of wood that has been in the cabin. I don't know where it came from, but it's nice, and we're going to use it so we don't need to spend money buying a chunk of wood. So I'm going to sand it down and see how it looks. If I feel that is not quite right, I may plane it and sand it down again. So let's get on with it. So while Mr. B is bricking the new fireplace, he have cut the mantelpiece up to size for me yesterday. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to give it a light sand on both ends that he have cut. And I decided I have this walnut satin finish varnish, and I'm going to use it because I think will bring a nice color. And we have so many things, so many different woods going on. I'm a bit concerned, I don't want them to clash, although Mr. B thinks that wood is wood and they all look nice together anyway. So I'm going to have a go. If I don't like the end result, I can always sand it back down and come up with another idea. So this is as far as we've been this week. Mr. B is still cladding away on that end. My mantelpiece is now ready to go up and Mr. B is ready for it. This is cement board. It's quite common in the building trade. A lot of builders use them to clad shower walls before they tile. Mr. B is going to cut it to size to fit underneath here, and obviously cut a hole in the middle for the pipe to go through, and that will make it safe. So I just started to point. I will carry on doing that. That's all we have for this week. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to give the thumbs up and to subscribe, is quite important. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.